We are live. We are live. Yeah. I want to say, I believe you're fine wherever you are. And I'm here to say, like I told you, I teach Igbo language. I do lifestyle content. But today, I just want to say hi to you. I believe you are fine wherever you are. Shh, you are distracting me. I believe you are fine wherever you are. You are having a good day. So continue to have a good day. Continue to enjoy your day. Continue to stay wherever you are hustling. So if you just join us, anytime you join us, I would like you to say hi to me. Tell me where you are watching from. I would like to see where you are watching from. I would like you to tell me where you are watching from, okay? So anytime you will see this video, just know that I say have a blessed day from Onye Nkuzi Asụsụ Igbo, from my humble self. So yeah, from me to you, wherever you are. So have a blessed day. I love you all. All right. Bye.